Hello guys, welcome to another sweet video. Today we're gonna see how many fireworks I bought. I know there are a lot. So let's go to the table and see what I have. Yeah. There's my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
And there's all the fireworks. We have more in the ground and some outside. We're gonna go use one. My mom isn't here, so we're not gonna get the whole family reaction, but me and my sister will be able to see this one.
I'm gonna get the lighter.
And there's the other ones. Yeah, there's a bunch. Anyways, my sister's gonna go get the lighter and we're gonna light one up. Baby! I'm very excited for tonight. Remember guys, this is tonight, but today we're only shooting this one. Stay tuned for the next video where we're shooting the whole pack. We gotta go! We gotta go! Oh my god! You gotta get a close-up shot. Oh my god! That was amazing! Oh, there's so much. That was incredible. No. Anyways, guys, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.